Buy here, sell here. Buy here, sell here. Buy here, sell here. If you guys also want to buy from the bottom and sell from the top, then you're watching the right video. If you, like 90% of traders, are tired of losing again and again and feel like quitting trading, then wait. I have the perfect solution for you that will make you happy and also recover all your losses. Yes, from today you won't lose in trading anymore. If you watch this video step by step till the end, I guarantee that from today you won't lose in trading. If you understand this strategy of mine, then out of 10 trades, 8 or 9 trades will be successful wins, and each trade will have a profitable risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, up to 130. Isn't that amazing? Many people skip through the video and then they say that this strategy or this indicator doesn't work. That's how people always stay in loss. That's why you should watch the video step by step till the end, so you can also avoid repeated losses. Because applying indicators or strategies is easy, but setting them up correctly is something not everyone knows. And not only that, using the indicators to take profitable trades is also not something everyone can do. So don't miss even a single part of the video and try to understand it properly. I hope this video will benefit you a lot. We're going to apply this strategy on the TradingView app, or if you have a PC, no problem, the method is the same for both. In this, we'll use 2 indicators, set them up properly, and not just that, we'll also adjust the chart setting, like time frame, which need to be set correctly. Besides that, you'll also learn how to avoid false signal. The solution for that is also included in this video. So if you don't want to waste this amazing strategy, then you'll have to watch this video step by step till the end, because every part of this video is a part of this strategy. Before applying the strategy, I want to do some backtesting to give you confidence, so you'll see for yourself that this is no joke, but a powerful strategy made using just. So here the market is going down, but suddenly it has given a buy signal. So I'm about to place a buy order here. Let's see what happened. I've placed a 1:2 buy order, and the stop loss is right in front of you. You also need to place your stop loss just below the recent low, and the take profit should be at least 1:2 risk to reward. You can manage more than that too. For now, I've taken a 1:2 risk to reward buy order. Let's see what happens next. So, dear viewers, as you can see, the buy order I placed in this trade has hit its and I've got a 1:2 risk to reward profit. Now, let's see if the next signal also perform the same way or not. Here, it has given a sell signal, so I'm placing a sell order here as well. Let's see whether this trade wins or goes into a loss. I've placed a 1:2 sell order here. Now you guys keep watching. So, as you can see, with big, strong candles, this trade has also won with a 1:2 risk to reward. But we're not stopping here. Let's keep checking more signals and see what happens. Now the market is moving upwards, and not only that, I've also received a buy signal here, and I'm not going to miss it. Let's take this trade too, and see what happens. So, my dear viewers, as you can see, once again, my TP has been hit easily here as well. And just like that, this indicator keeps giving more signal. 80% of them are winners. If I keep showing you one by one, the video will become very long. That's why, after watching the video, you can do the backtesting yourself. So let's move ahead with the video. First of all, we'll add the indicators, and then we'll set them up properly, because you will see many false signals too. So it's important to set them correctly and to understand the concept as well. So the first indicator we're going to add is called Machine Learning Adaptive Super Trend, created by Algo Alpha. You just have to click on it. and it will automatically appear on your trading chart. Here you can see that it's giving a lot of false signals. To avoid these false signals, you need to set up this indicator properly. After adding the indicator, you'll see a settings icon next to the indicator's name at the top. Click on it. As soon as you click, you'll see an interface like this. Now, in the Inputs section, set ATR length to 5, set Super Trend Factor to 4. When you scroll down a little, you'll see more settings. Set Training Data Length to 100. Set Initial High Volatility Percentile, guess to 0.75. Set Initial Medium to 0.5. Scroll down a bit more and adjust. Transparency 1 set on 70. Transparency 2 set on 95. This completes the settings for the Inputs section. Now move to the Style section. Click on it. As soon as you click, an interface like this will appear. Here, uncheck the first 3 options. Leave the settings for bullish trend and bearish trend as they are. You can also change the arrow style for buy-sell signals, according to your preference. After that, uncheck these options of labels and tables to hide them from trading chart. And finally, make sure the settings below are done just like this as well. The third section is visibility. Just click on it. Here, you don't need to change anything. Just leave it as it is and click OK. This was the complete setup for this indicator, which I've shown you step by step. I hope you've watched the video up to this point and haven't skipped any part, because every part of this video is a crucial part of the strategy. Now, as you can see, after doing the settings, this indicator gives much smoother signals. To make it even clearer, click on Chart Type, then click on Line. You'll notice how smooth and clean it looks now. Now, all you need to do is wait for the signal. As soon as this indicator gives a buy signal, you buy, and when it gives a sell signal, you sell. You can see here that it gave a buy signal, and we got almost a 1.6 risk to reward ratio. Then it gave a sell signal, and again we got nearly 1.6 risk to reward profit, which is a massive gain. Similarly, you can see that the take profit is always much bigger compared to the stop loss. So even if you lose 1 or 2 trades, you can recover those with a single win and still stay in profit. Isn't that amazing? But, if you've watched the video up to this point, congratulations, because now the most important part of the video is about to begin. Those who left the video early will keep losing in trading, because just like this strategy gives continuous profitable signals, it also gives a lot of false signals. You can see it right here. It kept hitting stop loss again and again. So, to avoid these false signals, we're going to add one more indicator, and that is called EMA, which stands for Exponential Moving Average. You can see the name right here. Just search for this indicator and click on it to add it to your chart. After adding the indicator, it has a simple setting you absolutely need to apply. For that, click the settings icon next to the indicator's name. Once you click, an interface like this will appear. Now go to the Style section. Uncheck the first 2 options to hide them, and check the next 2 options to show them on the trading chart. Here, you can also change their colors if you want. Leave the visibility section as it is, and then click OK. And that completes the setup of this indicator. But now comes the main question: how to follow the signals and take trades using this setup. Don't worry, I'll explain it to you in a very simple way. Try to understand this. You'll see 2 EMA lines on your chart. Whenever the market is above these EMA lines, you should only follow buy signals, because this indicates an uptrend. And in an uptrend, sell signals are mostly false. So when the price is above both EMA lines, you need to avoid taking sell trades. Similarly, when the market is in a downtrend, meaning below the EMA lines, you should avoid buy signal, especially if you're a beginner. I hope you've understood this clearly. This strategy is so powerful that a single signal can give you a 1.2 risk to reward to even 1.30 risk to reward ratio, and that too on higher time frames. So don't take this strategy lightly. It can seriously change your trading game and maybe even your life. This strategy works on every time frame. Since I've used the 1 hour time frame in this video, you can use it too. I hope you've watched the video until this point. If you've watched it without skipping, then congratulations. From today, you won't lose anymore and will always stay in profit. If you still have any questions or if any part of the video wasn't clear, feel free to ask in the comments section. Also, if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and select all, so you'll get notifications for every new video. See you in the next video.